Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload a Profit Center Master in SAP, and I will try to complete it in less than 40 to 45 minutes. I hope so. In the last session, we successfully uploaded the GL master data. Now the next step is to upload the Profit Center master data. The reason for this is that during our baseline configuration in SAP S4HANA, we activated the Profit Center functionality. We also made the Profit Center mandatory in document splitting, if you remember. This means that even though we have already uploaded the GL master data, but without having Profit Center and Cost Center, we still cannot post any transaction at this stage. The system will not allow us to do so because we have not yet created or uploaded the profit centers. Since profit center is mandatory in our configuration, the system requires it in every relevant transaction. Therefore, in today's session, we will upload the profit center master data. Although I have explained this concept in my previous videos, it is always helpful to briefly revisit the concept before performing the upload. So first, let us quickly understand what a profit center actually is. If I try to explain it in very simple terms, a profit center, a profit center. Okay. The profit center is a part of a company where you want to track profit separately. This is the simple definition of profit center. So let us understand this with a simple example. Imagine a company that has three departments like sales, sales, production. Number three is service. If the management wants to track the profitability of each department separately, they can create three profit centers. Like I am using PC for profit center here. PC underscore sales, PC underscore production, and PC underscore service. Once these profit centers are created, every transaction, whether it is revenue or expense, is posted to a specific profit center. This allows management to clearly see the financial performance of each department. For example, department, or I can say profit center, uh, revenue, expense, and profit. Here I take first department, sales, second one is production, and third one is service. Suppose sales revenue is 100,000, its revenue 50,000, its revenue 30,000. And expense, let's say 60,000, 45,000, and 20,000. And if you want to know the profit of each profit center, then we will less the revenue from expense. We will get profit accordingly. Here it is showing now. Okay. So with this information, management can immediately understand, or you can understand which department is performing better and which one needs improvement. So in very simple words, profit center is a business. So uh, a profit center is a business unit where profit and cost are measured separately. By now, I believe you have a clear understanding of what a profit center is and why it is important. Another important point to understand is uh, that in any company or organization, profit centers are not created or uploaded randomly. Instead, they are organized within a structured hierarchy. This hierarchy works very much like folders in a computer. It helps company management analyze profitability in different ways. For example, management may want to view profit department wise, region wise, or even see the overall profit of the entire company. Here, I already take a picture for your better understanding. Okay, now in this picture, you can uh, understand very easily in which show I trying to show the structure of profit center. Um, I explain this with a simple example that imagine there is a shopping mall that has three different shops. In this case, each shop can be treated as a separate profit center. This allows the mall owner to clearly understand which shop is generating how much profit. Okay, and for this example, I have this picture in which showing a shopping mall and three different shops. In the same way, companies created multiple profit centers so that they can analyze performance and profitability of different parts of the business more effectively. There are also many additional benefits of using profit centers, yes, which you will gradually understand definitely as we continue learning and working with the system in SAP S4HANA. Now, let's move to profit center creation uh, from the key code KE51, which we will use to create profit center creation, where I will show you the profit center hierarchy or group. Uh, let's go to SAP, where I can show you the Okay, I'm already in. So EE51 profit center. Here controlling area is showing an FFL, which is not our controlling area. Our controlling area is HM00. And if you want to change the controlling area, set controlling area, and here I will change this controlling area with yes. Okay, profit center. Here I can create the profit center, and let's see. Here I am giving. I am just trying to show you something here. HM001 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now we are in the profit center creation screen, and uh, uh, when I click on this option, instead of showing any group, uh, the system displays I like just here profit center group. If I click here, then we do not have. I am not getting any list instant. Only one thing is, which is HM00 underscore PC. This indicates that we have not yet created any profit center hierarchy or group in this system, and the HM00 underscore PC you see here is actually the topmost hierarchy, if you remember, which we defined earlier during our baseline configuration when we activated profit center accounting with the help of 0KE5. Let me show 0KE5. Yeah. Here it is showing a standard hierarchy, the topmost node of profit center hierarchy, which we created at the time of baseline configuration HM00 underscore PC. So I want to only trying to say that if you want to going upload or create profit center, then you must have a profit center group, so you can easily identify, or company or any organization or management identify their profits region wise, group wise, or at their convenience. So first of all, we have to create profit center groups. uh, since no lower level groups exist yet, the system is only showing the top hierarchy node. So uh, now let us proceed with creating the profit center hierarchy. To create the profit center hierarchy, we use the transaction code as KCH2, and just remember this. If I am clicking on this, I am not getting any list. Instead of getting only one thing, HM00 underscore PC, which is the topmost node which we created at the time of the baseline configuration with the help of 0KE5. So now we are going to create profit center hierarchy first with the help of KCH2 T code. KCH2. Okay, profit center group and controlling area. Enter. Once we enter KCH2 and press enter, the screen will appear. As I mentioned earlier, since we have not created any hierarchy or groups yet, the system currently does not show any structure below the top node. Therefore, we will now create our profit center group there. For our example company, we will create three main groups. To create three main group, we put the cursor here and click the button of lower level. And when we click on the lower level, then we have the lower level node, the lowest uh, step of the topmost hierarchy. And here I select the first is, sorry, cars. In my example, I am dividing the business into three major profit center: cars, accessories, and services. Let me write it in my Excel sheet as well. And profit center hierarchy, ECH2 T code. Okay. The first hierarchy I will create here is cars. The second one is accessories, and the third one is services. Okay. Uh, to create the first group, I am put the first node, and here I will write the description of the first hierarchy, which is car HM00 and the cars. Okay. And I next I have to create another node with the same hierarchy, same level of car. So you can press here same level here button, or if you want to uh, click lower level, then you have to go first here hm hm00 underscore pc, whichever you like. You can do this, and here I am press the same level because I am now in the level of cars, and I am going to create the next hierarchy, which is accessories, and which is the same level of the cars. So I am clicking the same level. Okay, accessories, accessories, HM00 Lunda accessories. This is my second hierarchy, and the third hierarchy is my what was it? It was services. Services HM00. It could be anything. I am just writing the description against each node, each level. Services, and now I am trying to save this. Okay, it is now saved. Go back, go back. Now I go back, go back. Yes, again I go again in the creation of profit center, and now I try to fetch all my group hierarchy. Yeah, now whenever I went here first time, and I was trying to fetch the list, and uh, I'm not getting any list at that time. So because at that time I did not have any list there, but now I got the list. Uh, Now we save all three groups, and most important thing you should remember is that these structures are usually provided by the you cannot create it on your own. Uh, these structures usually provided by the clients. Creating the profit center hierarchy or groups is typically uh, cut over activity or an open client activity in most projects. So it will be provided by client. It is not the thing that you can create on your own. This is usually done after your transport request tiers are moved into the production system and before you start creating or uploading the profit center master data. So this hierarchy must be created first. Once everything is defined, we save the structure, and now the group hierarchy is completed, and you can also show it here. Uh, Close this. Now we are ready to upload the profit center because we are in this session. We are going to upload the profit center master data through MYD, migrate your data, not creating one by one profit center. So we are not create the profit center here. Uh, And again, this application is migration your data is available in SAP Fury, not GUI. As I told you in my earlier video is if you already have the Fury Launchpad URL, you can directly open uh, it in your browser. However, if you do not have the Fury application address, you can access it through SAP GUI, SAP GUI. It is showing here my favorite menu I have included or added in my favorite. And if you do not have in your favorite, you do not have the T code of this in your favorite list, so then you can also write the command in your T code in your command bar, which is /n /UE2 /FLE. Enter. Once you press the enter, the system will redirect you to the Fury Launchpad web page. Now, sometime when the page opens, you might see warning message saying your connection is not private or the connection may not be safe. Do not worry about this message. This is happening because we are working on a practice or training server, and its security certificate is not added to your browser's trusted list. Since this is only a practice environment, you can safely proceed. Simply click on Advanced and then click Proceed to the site unsave. This one. After clicking this option, you will be redirected to the SAP login page, and here you will enter the same user ID and password that you normally use to log in into SAP GUI. I think after logging in, you will see the Fury Launchpad where different applications appear in the form of tiles. These are called tiles. Okay. Now go to the search bar at the top and type migrate your data and press enter. You will see the tile called migrate your data. Here it is. Click on it. The system may take a few seconds to load and then it will open the migrate your data applications. Inside this application, you will see different migration projects. It is a little bit slow. Okay, since we want to upload uh, Profit Center Master, we first need to create a new project. So click create and the system will ask you to select the migration method. Here we will choose migrate data using staging tables as I told you earlier. As I mentioned, next we need to enter our project name. Here I am entering HM00 underscore PC and select local SAP S4HANA database schema. This means that the data we are uploading will be stored locally in the same SAP system instead of coming from another remote SAP server. Now click step 2. Okay. In step 2, select the local package because we are providing the data locally. Once you select local package, the step 3 button will become active. Click step 3. Okay. In this step, we need to select the migration object which represent the type of data we want to upload. This time we want to upload profit center master data. So we will type profit and search. Now select this and click this right arrow button. At this point, your migration project mm, shifted to project shifted to right side. Then click the button of review. Okay, at this time everything is ready. Now click create project. Okay, here it is showing your project which you have created, but the status is showing is still not started yet. To begin working on it, select this and right arrow button here to open it. Inside the project, you will see uh, several migration steps like download template, upload file, prepare, mapping task, simulate, migrate. Sorry. Under the action button, and here we uh, click on download template first. XML file. Okay. SAP provides a ready-made template, usually in XML format, where we will enter the required data. Here I am going to save this template on my desktop with the name of hm00_PC and click save. Okay, now I'm going to open it. Close this. Okay. When you open the file, you will see several sheets such as introduction, field list, master record, and company code assignment. The introduction sheet provides basically information about the template. The field list sheet contains a list of all the fields used in different sheets. It also explains which fields are mandatory, their data type, and their maximum length. So let's move to the master records sheet and start entering the data required to upload the profit centers. Uh, Now we have already uploaded GL master and understand this concept. I will quickly complete the sheets in the template since most of the fields are straightforward and should already be clear to you. So controlling area, we have created controlling area HM00. Okay, profit center, here I am writing the profit center which I want to create or upload. Um, it could be any length, but now I am creating the profit center with the length of 10. HM00100001 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, valid from here I am uh, valid from uh, I am keeping here 1 1 2025 to 31 12 999. Okay, and profit center name, let's see, it is my friend, and the responsible person, which is me, and a standard hierarchy node which we have created a little bit earlier. Let's say it is cars. Okay, and the other columns are not necessary to, all are not necessary. So another profit center we add here, HM00 controlling area, and the daily plant. Okay, and the same node is car. Save this. Okay, I have entered two profit center which I want to upload through Migrate Your Data. And now go to the next sheet, company code assess assignment, where it is again asking controlling area, which is HM00, and profit center, which I will copy from here to avoid any error, and HM, okay, and valid from valid to, again I will copy it from here and paste it, and company code, which is HM10, HM10. Save this. Now there are only two sheets which we have complete. So our template is ready. So the next step is to upload it into the migration project. So first of all, I close this and go to migration. Go back to Migrate Your Data application in SAP S4HANA and upload the file. Click upload. Desktop, HMPC, open it. System is validating the file now, and once the file is uploaded, the system begins. After a few minutes, the system displays the status. Data successfully transferred to staging tables. Okay, done. This means the file has been uploaded correctly and the data is now stored in the staging tables, ready for further processing. So go back, and now we have moved to prepare stage from the upload file. Click on prepare. Preparing staging tables. Click on it. Once the preparation step is finished, it will automatically move to the mapping task. Next step. Okay, here you simply select all the items and press confirm. Okay, again, okay, all item has been confirmed. Go back. The next step is simulate. Press simulate or run this, so the system can check whether there are any errors or inconsistencies in the data. Once the simulation is completed successfully, I believe we can proceed to the final step, which is migrate. Okay, now click migrate, start migration. Okay, migration has been done 100% successfully. Okay, done. And for confirmation, we will go back to SAP, open next session, and display profit center, which we have uploaded through migration your data. And what we have created is we have created two profit center, which is HM 00. Let me open the file. This one. Okay. We uploaded two profit center, which is HM 00100001, and the other one is HM 0010002. Now enter this, and you can see the profit center is created and showing in the system, which we try to upload from Migrate Your Data. And the other profit center was with the ending of 2. So now guys, you can see both profit centers have been uploaded successfully. And thank you very much for watching today's session. If you found this lecture helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that more people who want to learn SAP S4HANA FICO can benefit from these videos. This channel is specially designed for beginners who want to start their journey in SAP, even if they do not have any accounting or SAP background and they are very new. My aim is to teach you SAP S4HANA FICO in the simplest and most practical way so that complex concepts become easy to understand. If you still have any confusion about today's topic, if you have any suggestions to improve my videos, please feel free to write them in the comment section. Your comments are very valuable for me because they help me understand what you want to learn and how I can improve my teaching. I will always try my best to address your questions and resolve your issues in a clear and understandable way. Thank you again for your support, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.